Hello and welcome to another video. Today I would like to show you how to do a correlation analysis in Excel. You'll be surprised how easy it is, as you basically just need one single formula and then you're good to go. So let's jump right into it. What I've prepared in advance is I've downloaded 4 datasets from Yahoo Finance. Those are 3 ETFs and Bitcoin. We have emerging market debt, the S&P 500, as well as a gold ETF. And now we would like to check the correlation between those 4. To begin with, let's rename the data ranges, as this makes it a lot easier to work with the formulas. So what you do is you just select the range and rename it as you wish. This is emerging market debt, then SP, gold, and the usual Bitcoin abbreviation BTC. And as I said before, we basically just need one single formula now, which is the Correl formula. And now we just select the data ranges that we have just renamed. As you see, this is very easy. I don't have to select anything manually anymore. I can just type the abbreviations for the data series. So let's do the correlations for the first column, and then I'm sure you get the gist. So Correl again, SP and EM. By the way, in this case, it does not matter at all which data series you select first, whether it's, in this case, S&P or emerging market, the correlation is going to be the same. Just to keep in mind. Oops. And last but not least, the correlation between Bitcoin and emerging market debt. When you've done that and you have filled in the whole matrix, then you can go to Conditional Formatting, go to Color Scales, and then, for example, select this, as this aids in the visual aspect of the correlation matrix. So, if this has helped you, please consider liking and subscribing, and in any case, have a great week. Bye bye.